All right, guys. Next up, we got a box of 2016 Top Strata Baseball. There are 2 cards, 2 hits per box, 1 hit or 1 relic, 1 auto, and then you get boxes in there that the relic is an auto relic. So we pulled some monsters out of here, and there are some huge names. Biggest being a Babe Ruth cut auto, which would be insane. So let's see what we can get out of here. So here is the rundown for Strata. So we got Adam K with the Pirates, Adam P with the Giants and Mariners, Brian G, you've got the Reds, Dusty's got the Nationals and A's, Jeff H with the Royals, Jesus, you've got the Astros, Jim, you've got the Braves and the Orioles, Joseph N with the Yankees, Ken H, you've got the Cubs, White Sox and Rays, Kevin E with the Cardinals, Mike, you've got the Rangers, Roger with the Red Sox, Ryan C with the Tigers and Twins, and then Sean H, you've got the Indians, Dodgers, Marlins, and the Blue Jays. All right, I'll hook you up, man. 15 bucks for an Aaron Blair auto is money well spent. Come on. Getting these cards up. Oh. Alright, we got a huge one popping out first. How about a Carlos Correa to 99? Nice clear auto, 44 out of 99 for the Astros, and that's going to be Jesus. Nice hit there on the Correa. And then hit number 2, we got a Met. Guy we're going to need this year to stay healthy, Cespedes. Relic for the Mets with the sticker there that you can look up the game that jersey was used in. No numbering on that one. Alright, and that's going to do it for Strata. So we're about halfway through the case. I think I've got 5 or 6 boxes left of this case. So nice Carlos Correa. We'll get those cards mailed out to you guys tomorrow.